So looking back from the Chinese Theater, we walk our way around here. And you'll find yourself into Toy Story Land. Which for right now is a dead end because Star Wars is on the other side of it and that's not open until later this summer. So you go in here, you got a nice little Woody figurine, that's usually where he meets for some photos. He's really he's meeting right this second, but see, he'll talk sometimes, it's a nice photo op. You see a ton of Tinker toys here for theming, as well as some themed umbrellas. Or it looks like Buzz Lightyear's on it. We'll take a look at them in just a moment, but we'll walk through here.
You know, I'm glad to help, but really, I think I'm more of an indoor toy.
Yeah, but you can see Buzz right there. Super cute. Hey, here she's Slinky Dog Dash is gonna come right by us right here. The tail is back for all those that are worried about that, but it's a really neat track here. We got really nice figures, some Jenga blocks, Woody, Jessie, or not Woody, sorry, Rex, Jessie. So it's a pretty fun coaster. Like, it's a kiddie coaster for sure, but it's one of the more intense kiddie coasters you ride. It's enjoyable for pretty much everyone. Mine's usually around an hour and 15 minutes, but if you come early, late in the day, you can drop down about 30, 45. And that's probably a good amount to wait for it. That's some really nicely themed merchandise kiosks here. They're shaped like Little Tykes toys, which is super nice. And over there, Toy Story Mania, which is really fun, interactive 3D shooter game, which is really fun. And there's more of a cube like that. And then what's gonna got Slinky Dog Dash, which is a super, super fun coaster. Honestly, I was surprised how much I enjoyed it because I was expecting like some just really child coaster, but it's got a couple of powered launches and it's got some nice bumps and you get some great views of Star Wars construction, so I really can't complain with that. But yeah, so here's for a meet and greet for Woody and Jessie down there, just right along the side. And as we continue down here, this is the exit for Toy Story Mania, and right next to the giant Luxor ball. I mean, it's probably 15 feet tall, super big. Then over here, we'll take a look in a second, but seating for Woody's Lunchbox, which is the quick service location here at Toy Story. Coming along this side here, we've got another nicely themed kiosk for merchandise, which is the Fisher-Price Play Family Camper, which is super, super, super neat. You know, we got the similar setup as the other one, but just different toy theme, which I think is pretty cool. And then if we come this way, there's a nice little bridge that goes over top of the Slinky Dog Dash track. It's actually where the second launch is, but this is where the entrance is. But you get a nice little view of the whole area from up here. Yeah, so you can see down here. Here's one half of the track. You can see in the background, you can see Tower of Terror. But the launch is right there. You actually can see it power up right here. It's going to be taken off. This is the second launch of the track. Well, once again, super, super neat. And then, yeah, just the entrance here. It's mostly outdoor queue. The loads outside, everything like that, but really nicely themed. And then we come back down this way here. We'll take a look at Swirling Saucers on our right-hand side, and we'll take a quick look at Woody's Lunchbox to wrap up the tour. You can see down here, giant Woody footprint, which is super cool theming. But yeah, right now it's kind of congested just because it's only one way in, one way out. You know, there's no throughfare right now. But you can see way down there, that's going to be Star Wars or the Star Wars land that is currently Star Wars construction. So over here in the background, you can see the track for the Slinky Dog Dash. But in the foreground here is Alien's Swirling Saucers, which is a neat spinner attraction. Very similar to Mater's Junkyard Jamboree, actually identical to Mater's Junkyard Jamboree at Disney California Adventure and Cars Land. It's got two separate sides here, so it's a pretty decent capacity. It never has more than like a 30-35 minute wait, which is not too bad. But yeah, so it's once again 100% outdoor queue. The only indoor queue here is from Toy Story Mania, which is an existing attraction. They just converted the entrance to this other side here. But yeah, mostly outdoor queue. Yeah, nicely themed. Got a giant Buzz Lightyear for a photo op if you want that. And the entrance right there. Right now it's posting 30 minutes, but I don't think it's even 30. Over here, we just have some nicely themed restrooms, and actually we turn back. If you look way in the distance there, you can see construction for Star Wars Galaxy's Edge opening August 2019 here at Walt Disney World. And of course in June, around May-June mark at Disneyland in California. So we'll finish up as we walk back towards the entrance, which is right down there. We're going to take a quick look at Woody's Lunchbox, which has a pretty neat menu. Has mobile order, which is always super awesome. It's got a pretty decent selection of stuff. As you can see, there's only 2 cash registers, so the line can get long at times. So if you have mobile order, I would highly recommend you exercise that option to try out some of the options like the grilled cheese sandwich, the barbecue brisket melt, the smoked turkey sandwich, tachos, and some mini BBL snack cheeses. They have like some milkshakes and some unique adult drinks as well, which is pretty neat. But yeah, so there's a nice little themed sitting area underneath another Kinax structure. Yeah, just a ton of chairs and tables. I should say these tables look different. I'm not sure if they've changed them out or not, but yeah. So this is pretty much it. So it's a nice little overview of Toy Story Land here at Disney's Hollywood Studios, the newest land here at the Walt Disney World Resort. And you just look right down there. That's where we entered, and that's where you will have to exit for now until Star Wars Galaxy's Edge opens later this year.